Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Allahumma sholli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Hello my friends. My name is Nurhalik Anang Fawaz. I'm from University Islamic of Alauddin Makassar. I'm from department. My study is department English. Okay, in this video I will explain you what is place of articulation and what is manner of articulation. For the efficiency time, please listen my video carefully. Okay, what is place of articulation? Place of articulation is how the mouth responsible for uttering a particular sound which two speech organs work together in production of consonant sounds, aj, tongue, and the teeth. There are 6 speech organs used to utter consonant sound, i.e. the lips, the teeth, the alveolars, hard palate, and soft palate or velum. There are 4 parts of tongue. First is the tip, the blade, the body, and the root. Consonant sound in American English be classified into 8 sounds: b, la, da, pat, fa, fel, g, la. First is bilabial sound. Bilabial sound produce sounds p, b, and m. Organ use is lips, produced by putting two lips together, as in sound B in the word, for example, baby, bass, buy, and bring. Next sounds P in the word, example is pay, put, paper, and person. Next sounds is aim. For example, the aim in the word is mother and mass. Labiodental sounds. Labiodental sounds produce sounds F and V. Labial dental sounds produced by contacting the lower lid and the upper teeth, as in sound F in the word like a female, fly, flight, and often. Okay, the next is dental sound. Labiodental sound produce sounds th, made when tongue tip for sound th or the tongue blade part just behind the tip. Example, the word Thursday. Next, the alveolar sound. Alveolar sound is T, D, N, S, and Z, and L. Organ use the tongue tip alveolar ridge. When the tongue tip contact alveolar ridge, the gums just behind the teeth. Sound T in the word like text. Sounds T in the word like tax. D like day. N never. L life. S send, and Z is zero. Okay, the next sounds is palatal sounds. Produce palatal sounds is G. When the blade of the tongue, middle of tongue, touch the hard palate. Example word jungle. Palato-alveolar sounds. The sounds palato-alveolar is SH, G, and R. The sounds articulate when the blade of the tongue approach or the touches The alveolar ridge and the main body tongue approach the hard palate in the mouth. Example sound sh in the word like sheep. The word sound are called palatao-alveolar because the production of the sounds involves two places of articulation. Velar sound. Sounds from velar sound is K, G, and N. Produced make it organ tongue when the back of the tongue touch the soft palate as sounds K. In the word cup we read cup. G in the word cap. In the word cap we read cape. Glottal sound. Sound from the glottal sound is H, produced when the flow of air is stopped by the glottis. Some construction of the glottis closing the release. Example sound H in the word how and who. Labiovelar sounds. Consonants labiovelar is W, produced when the back part of tongue contacts the soft palate and lips also come close to each other. Example word is what. Manner of articulation. Talk about manner of articulation is how the sounds is produced. Manner of articulation describe manner articulation describe how the different organ speech interact one another in producing consonant sounds and how the air flow obstructed to affect the production of consonant sounds quality. There are six of manner of articulation. The six is S, T, F, A, NAS, L, A. Stop or plosives. Consonant sounds produced P, T, K, B, D, G. Produced by closing the speech organ both oral nasal cavity that the airstream pressure is the suddenly released aspiration will then occur. For example, the word pen, T, K, by, die, and the word go. Fricatives. Fricatives produce consonant. Fricative produce consonant sounds by blocking the airstream in the mouth, not making complete closure. Then air the moves through the mouth and produce audible frication, and the sounds produced this type is S, F, Z, V, T, H, S, H, G, H. For example, word system, often, zoo, even, clothes, flash, judge, and hot. Affricatives. The sounds type affricative is C, H, and G. For example, check and jump. This manner articulation produce consonants by blocking the airstream briefly with the tongue in the mouth, but in the contrast to stop, the blocked airstream is suddenly not released but is slowly released and causes audible friction. Next, nasals. The type produce consonant sounds by blocking the airstream pass through the oral cavity using the velum, soft palate, and the back of the tongue so that air can only pass through the nasal cavity, and sound produced is M, N, and N. For example, man, night, and sing. Laterals, liquid, or by contacting the tip of the tongue to the alveolar ridge so that air passes through both sides of the tongue, and the sounds produced is L. For example, late, alone, close, and please. Proximants or glides. This type produce consonant sounds by the tongue and the alveolar ridge without actually touching. In English, there are three approximants: is G, we and are. For example, word you, word and rise. Okay, I say thank you very much in this video, and I'm sorry because I have sorry if I big mistake in this video, because perfections belong Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Okay, fastabikul khairat, wabillahi taufiq hidayah, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.